So for you to withdraw your Hamster token, you need to do it using either an exchange or a wallet. So if you've done the Binance, if you have a Binance account, a Bybit account, an OKS account, Telegram wallet and all of that, you can basically withdraw your Hamster. So you can start the process now, because when it comes to airdrop, speed is important. When it comes to airdrop, speed is important. So you want to set everything up now before they launch, because with most airdrops the prices will go down when they launch, because most people would want to dump. So taking that into consideration, you have to use a centralized exchange like Binance, OKS or Bybit. So if you send it to your wallet inside of Telegram, when they release it, you still need to send it to Binance to sell it, which is going to take some time. Again, there might also be congestions or delays and you'll be wasting time. Again, you don't need to waste time when you want to dump airdrops. So for me, I like to use Binance, and this is because Binance has a history of rewarding people who use their platform. So if you did a dog airdrop, Binance still added more tokens or free tokens to people who used Binance to receive their airdrop. All right, so if not, you can use OKS, but Nigerians, this platform doesn't accept Nigerians. But you can use Bybit too if you want to use the P2P, because Bybit still has P2P, so you can use that. But for me, I want to use Binance because I'm not really interested in the P2P. I can also just swap or sell my Hamster to USDT, which is basically the same thing as swapping it to using the P2P. So for you to do this, you need to either use Binance or Bybit. You can use these other ones, but again, I've given you the reason why I prefer to use Binance. So it goes to the exchange straight. So I click on Binance and I say, yes, I already have an account and this is all I need. So in some cases, they might ask you for your UID, which simply means your user ID. So I'm going to show you how to get that. But today, or in this case, they did not ask me for the user ID. So all I need is just to get the deposit address and then the memo. So to get that, I need to go to my Binance account, and this is my Binance account. So I come here and the search bar, if you don't know how I got here, I am under wallet and then I am under spot. So I come here, I search for the token, which is Hamster. If you just write H, you are going to see Hamster Kombat here. So you click on that and you click on deposit crypto. So you want to select the network. In this case, it's Ton or Ton Coin. So you need the memo and then the address. So this is the address and this is the memo. So you want to copy this address. So I've copied the address and then I come back here and then I simply paste it right here. So I want to go back and then I want to copy the memo. This is important, so don't make any mistake right here. So I copy the memo, I come back here and then I paste it here. And that's basically all you need to do. And you can come here and you click on save and choose. So as you can see, successful, it has been updated. So you can just say thanks and you are ready to go. So if let's refresh and see what it shows. So as you can see, my Binance has been selected. So it says that you cannot change it, but if you wanted to change it, let's say you don't want to use Binance anymore, you can come here and click on reset withdrawal option, but I'm okay with that. So if you wanted to use Bybit would ask you for the UID. So I've seen some videos where Binance asks people for the UID, so I'm sort of surprised that they didn't ask me. But in case they ask you, this is how you can get it. So if you come to your Binance account, so if you go to the home page, you come to the top right here. So it's basically the same thing with OKX or Bybit. So if you come here, this is your user ID right here. So you just copy it. Don't copy mine and put. You have to copy yours. So you also need to have a verified account, but if you use Binance, your account must be verified. So this is how you withdraw your Hamster Kombat to Binance or OKS or Bybit and wait for the airdrop to be dropped. So if I come back to Hamster, you want to look at the notice here. It says it will be listing on the 26th of September 2024. I hope this video helps you. If it does, or if it did, please like the video, subscribe. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.